I used to wonder why some people in their 60s have more energy than people half their age. It's not just genetics, it's what's in their glass every morning. Today, I'm giving you the 3 smoothie recipes that changed my mornings completely, including a secret for joint health you won't want to miss. Good morning. Do you ever wake up feeling like your get up and go has got up and gone? If you're over 60, that morning sluggishness isn't just about sleep, it's often about fuel. So let's fix that, 3 minutes at a time. And here's something important before we get started. A smoothie doesn't have to be complicated to be useful. You don't need 10 different powders, expensive ingredients, or a long list of supplements sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Sometimes, the best approach is simply combining a few whole foods that give you protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. The other advantage is convenience. When you're tired in the morning, the last thing you want is a complicated recipe with 15 steps. These smoothies are designed to be simple enough that you can prepare them without turning your kitchen upside down. And as we go through each one, pay attention to what makes each smoothie different. The first focuses on berries and protein, the second brings together fruit and flaxseed, and the third is all about that warm golden combination of mango, turmeric, and ginger. So let's start with number 1. First up is the Brain Power Berry Blast. So many of you in the comments mentioned how much you love berries, and for good reason. Blueberries are like brain food. They're packed with antioxidants that help keep your brain sharp and focused. Here's how we build it. Add 1 cup of blueberries, half a cup of Greek yogurt, that's your muscle-saving protein right there, and a handful of spinach. Don't worry, you won't taste the spinach, but your body will thank you for the extra iron and fiber. Trust me, I was a skeptic too, until I tried it. Blend it all together until it's smooth and creamy. Look at that colour. That's pure energy in a cup. Now, one reason I like starting with this smoothie is the combination. You're not relying on fruit alone. The Greek yogurt adds protein, while the blueberries and spinach bring additional nutrients and fiber. And if you're using Greek yogurt, you can choose plain Greek yogurt if you prefer to keep the added sugar lower. If the smoothie tastes a little too tart, the natural sweetness from the blueberries can often balance it out. You can also adjust the texture depending on what you like. Want it thicker? Use less liquid. Want it easier to drink? Add a little water or milk and blend again. And here's another little tip. Frozen blueberries work beautifully. They make the smoothie cold and thick without requiring a lot of ice. That means you can keep a bag of berries in the freezer and have the main ingredient ready whenever you need it. It's also a great example of how you don't need a huge breakfast to get started in the morning. A simple combination of fruit, greens, and protein can be much easier to prepare than a full-cooked meal. Now let's move on to smoothie number 2. Now, if you're a coffee lover, but find it leaves you crashing by noon, try this one instead. This sunrise smoothie uses vitamin C from oranges and potassium from bananas to help keep your heart healthy and your energy steady. No crash involved. Here's what goes in. 1 orange, peeled, 1 small banana, and a tablespoon of flax seeds. And here's the real hero of this recipe, the flax seeds. They provide omega-3s, which are essential for heart health as we age. Blend it up until smooth. Look how bright that is. That's basically bottled sunshine. What I really like about this one is how simple the ingredient list is. You don't need to search through the refrigerator for 10 different things. An orange, a banana, and flaxseed can give you a completely different flavor from the berry smoothie. And flaxseed is especially interesting because it adds fiber and plant-based omega-3 fatty acid called ALA. If you're using whole flax seeds, grinding them can make it easier to incorporate them into foods like smoothies. The orange also brings that fresh citrus flavor, while the banana gives the smoothie its creamy texture and natural sweetness. So if you prefer a smoothie that tastes more like a refreshing morning drink than a traditional green smoothie, this could be the one for you. And remember, you can prepare some of these ingredients ahead of time. Peel your banana, break it into pieces, and store it in the freezer. Then when morning comes, you're not standing around trying to figure out what to make. Just add your ingredients, blend, pour, and you're ready to go. But we've saved my favorite for last. Now, having energy is great, but it's hard to stay active if your body feels stiff. That's why this next recipe is my personal favourite, especially for those mornings when the knees or the back feel a little tight. We're using 2 anti-inflammatory powerhouses here, turmeric and ginger. Here's the mix. 1 cup of frozen mango, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a small slice of fresh ginger, and coconut water for hydration. And remember that secret ingredient for joint health I mentioned at the start? Here it is, black pepper. Just a tiny pinch. It sounds simple, but it's the key to actually making the turmeric work for your joints. Blend until smooth and golden. Just look at that colour. This one always feels like a warm hug in a cup. Now, don't let that bright golden colour fool you into thinking this is going to taste like medicine. The mango brings sweetness, while the ginger gives it a little kick. The turmeric adds that earthy flavour, and the coconut water keeps everything light and refreshing. And if you've never used fresh ginger in a smoothie before, start small. Ginger has a strong flavour, and a little can go a long way. You can always add more the next time you make it. The same goes for turmeric. You don't need a huge amount to get that beautiful golden colour, and that tiny pinch of black pepper is an easy addition if you're already using turmeric. Just remember that food can support a healthy lifestyle, but no smoothie should be viewed as a treatment or cure for joint problems. If you have persistent pain or stiffness, it's important to talk with a healthcare professional. The bigger idea here is consistency. You don't have to completely change your diet overnight. You can start with one small habit that makes a healthy breakfast easier. Maybe Monday is the berry blast, Tuesday is the sunrise, Wednesday is the golden smoothie. Then you can repeat your favourites throughout the week. You can even prepare your ingredients in advance. Portion the fruit and greens into separate containers or freezer bags, label them by recipe, and your morning preparation becomes incredibly simple. And there's something satisfying about knowing exactly what's going into your glass. Instead of grabbing whatever happens to be available, you're intentionally combining ingredients that fit into your overall healthy eating routine. Of course, everyone's nutritional needs are different. If you have diabetes, kidney disease, food allergies, or you're taking medications that require dietary restrictions, it's a good idea to check with your healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet. But for many people, the goal isn't perfection. It's building simple habits you can actually stick with. Making these takes less time than brewing a pot of coffee, and the benefits last all day. I want to know, which one of these are you going to try first? The berry, the citrus, or the golden? This one right here is mine. Let me know yours in the comments below. I read every single one. And here's a challenge for you. Don't just watch this video and forget about it 5 minutes later. Pick one smoothie and try it this week. Pay attention to how easy it is to prepare, how satisfying it is, and whether it becomes something you actually enjoy making. Because the best healthy habit isn't necessarily the one that sounds the most impressive. It's the one that's simple enough to repeat. You can also make small adjustments based on what you already have at home. If you don't have frozen mango, use fresh mango. If you prefer a different type of yogurt, choose one that fits your dietary needs. The point is to create a routine that works for you. And if you enjoyed the first smoothie, don't be afraid to experiment with berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries can all give you different flavors and textures. The same thing applies to the greens. A small handful of spinach can disappear into a fruit smoothie, making it an easy way to include more vegetables in your morning routine. Small changes like these can make healthy eating feel much less complicated. And if this video helped you, do me a quick favor. Hit like, share it with someone who needs more energy in their mornings, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video, where we're covering the best anti-aging snacks. It really does help this channel grow, and I'd love to have you back. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.